Okay, Sharif. Okay, I answered your question, Sharif. Himanshu, I'm a very lazy type of guy, and I know the importance of exercise and everything, but I need motivation. That's why I'm here. Okay, wait a second. The chat is moving, so I gotta move with it. I'm a very lazy type of guy. I know the importance of exercise and everything, but I need motivation. That's why I'm here, but I don't do exercise at all. How do I push myself to do all the things? That's why I always feel sick. Yeah, most definitely you feel sick because you don't exercise. That's one of the biggest things, is exercise makes you really feel really healthy, really vital, really blood flowing, really warm, really, you know. So if you need motivation, there's a lot of different ways you can exercise. So ask yourself, what does playing mean for you? So, for example, it's no problem for me to exercise because I love martial arts. I love martial arts movies, I love anime, I love the fighting, I love the movement. And that's why when I do martial arts, it's not effort, it's playing. So, do you like playing basketball? Do you like playing football? Do you like hiking? Do you like golf? Do you like ballet? Do you like capoeira? Do you like Muay Thai? Driving the bike? Running? Rollerblading? So, hula hoop? Archery? Walking the dogs for money? I don't know. Fast walking, water polo, swimming is amazing. I don't know, like the thing is that when we are playing, it's effortless. So if you can't exercise in like some regular manner, in a sense, like really boring manner, in a sense of squats, push-ups, deadlifts, pull-ups, cardio and bike, then you need to find something that's enjoyable for you, that is an exercise within itself. I hope you catch my drift, Himanshu. So any type of exercise that you enjoy doing, that's not effort, that's not you have to do, I have to make myself do it. And it could take some time. Maybe you haven't even tried everything. Maybe you never tried tennis. Maybe you would enjoy tennis. Maybe you never tried, I don't know. Yeah.